So I've been finding a lot of little benefits to the new machine. One in particular that I'm really enjoying is the updated fence. The fence on this new machine is definitely a step up from the one from the 500 series. It's a little bigger, but I really just like how ergonomic it is. Little things like the hood here, like so simple. On the old machine, you'd actually be standing there screwing it in, screwing it down. This, it's, you know, like this, straight up. Another one is the fence position. Just two adjustable handles on top rather than the screws on the back. The fine adjust is, fine adjust is so much smoother on this machine. So yeah, lots and lots of maybe small sort of benefits, but certainly things that make using the equipment a nicer experience, and it just makes it easier throughout your day. So especially when you're, you know, doing a lot of work on the shaper and you might have multiple setups in a day, and yeah, being able to change things around so simply is a welcome benefit, if you like. So anyway, so that's the new shaper fence. Thanks for watching.